here are the products I will be using. I'll be using the Pause Moisturizer, EYEBROW Concealer, a spoolie, a mini razor, and here is the star of the show, the E.L.F. Brow Kit. It comes with powder and gel, and also a little brush that comes with a flat side and a fluffier side. So if you would like to see how I got this eyebrow using the EYEBROW Kit, keep on watching. So I recently did something kind of crazy and I shaved the ends of my eyebrows, and I love the outcome because I have more space for my eyeshadow and my eyebrows look a bit lifted. And yeah, so I honestly love the decision that I made. So that's what I'm going to go ahead and do right now. They're growing in, so I'm just going to go ahead and shave them off. And if you are like kind of debating if you want to do this or not, I kind of recommend it. And anyways, now I'm going to go ahead and moisturize around my eyebrow area. I noticed that this is honestly a really good thing to do because once you do the concealer, it blends out so easy. But anyways, yeah, add some moisturizer on your eyebrow. Go ahead and comb them out with your spoolie. And now we're going to use a flat brush and we're going to go in with the powder. And basically what we're going to do is make a line underneath our eyebrow, you know, kind of just outline the eyebrow. So that's what I'm doing here. Next we're going to go ahead and basically brush it up, brush the powder up and on the front of our eyebrows. And then we're going to go ahead and just basically fill in our brows with what the heck, with the little brush. So just go ahead and fill them in all the way towards the end of your brow. So now what we're going to do is go with the fluffy brush and just go ahead and brush your little hairs up from the front so it could blend out. We don't want it to look too dark in the front, so that's why I used the little fluffy brush. But anyways, now we're going to go in with gel. So what I like to do is make sure the end of my brush is, oh my gosh, the end of my brow is dark. So I make sure to add a lot of gel there so it can look nice and dark and sharp whenever we go ahead and carve it out. And then I do my line with gel. I don't add gel in the front of the brow, but yes. So now we're just going to go ahead and comb those little brow hairs out and basically use concealer to shape our brows. So if it gets a little messy, that's fine, because at the end of it, you know, just use your concealer to clean it up, and that's where I messed up and I had to fix it. So stand by. So now I'm just going to go ahead and finish what I was doing using my concealer to cover up my brows, and I use my little brush and kind of blend it in a little bit. And then I messed up again, as you can tell, and I had to fix it again, second time. Anyway, so yeah, I'm just doing the same thing. Look how sharp it looks though. I think it looks pretty good. But what we're going to do is blend it out with our fingers, and it's so easy because like I said, I moisturized it. I moisturized around the area. So it was so easy to, you know, blend the concealer in. So anyways, now we're just going to comb it. And that's the finished look, and I hope you enjoyed. Subscribe, leave a like, and I'm out.